Hello and welcome to this quick fire tutorial on how to turn a 3D environment into a virtual web experience using Imperia's creator tools. So after you've logged in, you'll be able to configure the scene and drag in a hotspot. What a hotspot is essentially a viewpoint in the experience where you can move to and look around from. So depending on the size of your scene, you may want to add more or less of these hotspots. The only hotspot that matters is hotspot 0 for the order of them, as this is where your experience will start. So in the panorama manager, which will pop into the scene, you can gather and recalculate the points, and that will be the order the panoramas are rendered. As well as this, with a scene like this, it can be quite complicated to move around. So we've dragged in a BP navigation, and you can find some more information on this element in our YouTube series. So now we'll just head over to Window Imperia 3D Kit. We'll input our email, and then on our email we'll get an OTP code we can enter. And we can just go through the screens, and we'll want to add an experience name, a scene name, and the amount of hotspots we want to render. Press create, and it will start the rendering process. And once this is done, we can head to the dashboard, and there we have our experience, and we can now move around our scene. And it's as simple as that. So, if you do need to make a few 3D changes or some UI adjustments, then you can simply just go back and do the same steps again and press create, and you'll get an updated experience. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.